Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, fertility specialist, 49 Fertility Center, Banjara Hills. Today I will talk about the treatment of endometriosis. So treatment of endometriosis depends upon the age of the woman, depends upon if the woman is planning for pregnancy or does not want pregnancy, and also on the symptoms of endometriosis. So endometriosis symptoms like period cramps are usually treated with giving painkiller medicines during periods. Other symptoms like heavy menstrual bleeding is controlled with again oral medications to control the bleeding. So the other symptoms of endometriosis, which are severe symptoms which are causing severe dysmenorrhea, severe period cramps and infertility, we have to take help of hormonal treatment. So these hormonal treatment can be either in the form of oral medications or also can be in the form of gonadotropin depot injections. So we select the patients carefully for which treatment we are advising and also for the duration so that we know after that the patient is going to plan her further treatment, so that if patient is planning pregnancy, we have to immediately plan her pregnancy once our treatment is over, because all these hormonal preparations usually will act for a particular time, and once their effect is over, your endometriosis may again get activated and increase in its amount, and it can cause further complications. So whenever we are giving treatment for a particular time, immediately after that treatment, we have to consider further plans so as we don't give this disease a chance to come up again. So now coming to the third part, that is surgery for endometriosis. Surgery for endometriosis is done only for selected patients where we are seeing very large endometriomas or very large hydrosalpinx or hematosalpinx, and we need to plan her pregnancy, so that we need to remove these surgically. Other patients who for other symptoms we advise surgery, they should also think of it that whenever we are planning surgery for endometriosis, it should be a single surgery. Repeated surgeries for endometriosis can damage organs, can make your ovaries to reduce its follicle number or the egg reserve, and it can have more side effects than it may help. So you have to select your surgeon very carefully, the one who's expert in doing endometriosis surgeries, and should not get it done from any doctor who's doing laparoscopic surgeries. So surgery for endometriosis is for limited patients and also has to be performed by an expert laparoscopic surgeon who is very good in doing endometriosis surgery. So this was about endometriosis management. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.